Hello students, today let us see the Laplace transform of t power n f of t and some problems based on this topic. Okay, so first we know that L of f of t equal to, what is L of f of t? Integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so now we need to find t power n into f of t. So first try to find L of t f of t. So what is generally we can write e power minus st t f of t dt. So for proving this result, I am taking this general result L of f of t from 1, differentiate 1 with respect to s. So what will get? D by ds of L of f of t equal to d by ds of integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. By Leibniz rule, we can interchange this differentiation and integration. So this will become dou by dou s, partial derivation with respect to s, e power minus st f of t dt. This is nothing but 0 to infinity minus t into e power minus st f of t dt. So this is equal to minus of integration 0 to infinity t e power minus st f of t dt. So this is minus from the second equation. What is second? L of t into f of t equal to e power minus st t f of t dt. So for this term I can write L of t into f of t. So here I have the same term t into e power minus st f of t dt. So I can write L of f of t. So minus L of f of t equal to, here d by ds of LHS side L of f of t. Sorry, here L of t into f of t. L of t into f of t. This is nothing but L of t into f of t, because here you have e power minus st t f of t. So t into f of t is nothing but d by ds of this one. So transpose minus to this side, you will get L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of L of f of t, or you can write minus d by ds of f of s. Okay, so this is the result for t into any function f of t. Okay, now what about L of t square into f of t? L of t square f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity by general definition e power minus st t square f of t dt. Assume this equation as 3. Differentiate 1 with respect to s 2 times, that is d square by ds square L of f of t equal to d square by ds square integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So nothing but d by ds of integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Already we have this result, which is nothing but d by ds of integration 0 to infinity e power minus st minus t f of t dt. Already we have found this one, d by ds of this one. So I can use this result. 0 to infinity dou by dou s, Leibniz rule applying Leibniz rule, e power minus st minus t f of t dt 0 to infinity. So d by ds of e power minus st is again minus t. So minus t e power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so 0 to infinity t square e power minus st f of t dt, 0 to infinity e power minus st t square f of t dt. So this is nothing but L of t square f of t. So here I start with d square by ds square L of f of t. Now I have L of t square f of t. So this one is nothing but d square by ds square L of f of t. So in general, so first result we discussed L of t into f of t equal to L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of f of s. And second one, L of t square f of t is nothing but d square by ds square into f of s. So and so on. L of t power n f of t is nothing but minus 1 whole power n d power n by ds power n f of s. Okay, now let us see the problem. L of t into cos t. How to apply the result? What is L of t into cos t? So first we know that L of cos t. What is Laplace transform of cos t? S by s square plus a square, that is 1 square 1. Now we know that L of t into f of t is minus d by ds f of s. So L of t into f of t is nothing but minus d by ds of L of t into f of t or f of s. L of f of t, sorry, L of f of t. So here our f of t is cos t. From the problem, this is f of t. So minus d by ds of Laplace transform of cos t. What is Laplace transform of cos t? S by s square plus 1. This implies, so we know that the differentiation of with respect to s. So minus s square plus 1 u by v method, 1 minus s into 2s divided by s square plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to minus of s square minus 2s square minus s square plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole square. So which is nothing but s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. So this is the required answer. Suppose we have second problem. L of t square sin 2t suppose. So what is the result? First to find L of sin 2t. So which is nothing but 2 by a by s square plus a square. So s square plus 2 square, that is 2 by s square plus. Then we know that L of t square f of t is nothing but d square by ds square L of f of t. So here we have f of t is sin 2t. Therefore this will become d square by ds square 2 by s square plus 4. So 2 is constant, 1 by s square plus 4. First time differentiation, d by ds of minus 1 by s square plus 4 the whole square into 2s, then 4 minus 4 you can take outside, d by ds of s by s square plus 4 the whole square. So this equal to minus 4 into 2 into s square plus 4 whole square into 1 minus s into 2s square plus 4 into 2s divided by s square plus 4 whole power 4 minus 4 into s square plus 4. If you take outside, you will get inside term s square plus 4 minus 4s square divided by s square plus 4 the whole power 4. So minus 4, this will be 3. This is 4 minus 3s square divided by s square plus 4 whole power 3. So this is the answer. That's all. Suppose we have multiplication of three functions. Third problem, L of t into e power t into cos 2t. So what we have to do? First find L of cos 2t. So we know that s by s square plus 4. Then what is L of e power t into cos 2t? Apply previous theorem. S square plus 4. This s will be replaced by s minus 1. So what is L of e power t into cos 2t is s by s square plus 4 and s will be replaced by s minus 1 by shifting theorem. So this implies s minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. If you don't know about this how to replace this one, so go to my previous video shifting theorem, then you will get an idea. So this L of e power t into cos 2t equal to this one. Now we have to multiply with the t. So e power t cos 2t equal to, so when the function is multiplied with the t, we have to find minus d by ds of L of f of t. Now you have to consider this whole function as f of t. So what will get minus d by ds of s minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. So this implies minus s minus 1 whole square plus 4 into 1 minus s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 plus 0 into 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4 the whole square, or you can simplify the denominator. So minus, this will be s square. So you can take actually this one will become s square minus 2s plus 1 plus 4 minus 2 into s minus 1 whole square. So 2s square minus 4s plus 2. So this will be plus this one minus 2 divided by s square minus 2s plus 5 the whole square. S square minus 2s plus 5 minus 2s square plus 4s minus 2 divided by s square minus 2s plus 5 whole square. You can simplify this one easily. So minus of minus s square plus 2s plus 3 divided by s square minus 2s plus 5 the whole square. So this is the final answer. That's all, over. So this is the basic idea to solve these problems. With the help of this, you can find any problem multiplied by t. Okay, thank you for watching.